Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get free Taco Bell on the app. This is a complete step-by-step guide, so let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and in the search bar type Taco Bell promo codes. You'll see several websites pop up that offer current discounts and deals. I recommend checking sites like Simply Codes, Retail Me Not, or Honey. These usually have verified working codes. Let me walk you through using Simply Codes as an example. Once you're on their website, scroll down to see all the available Taco Bell offers. You might see discounts like 20% off your order or free item with purchase. To get a discount code, simply click on the View Code button. Here, you will find the discount code. If you want to get a discount deal, simply scroll down to find the deals. When you find a deal you like, click the Get Deal button. This will redirect you to Taco Bell's official website where you'll need to log into your account. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to get free Taco Bell on the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.